Damn, my boy, you're on YouTube now or what?
Finally, it's about time, huh?
Damn.
What's your YouTube channel? I haven't made it yet.
Oh, come on, man. You gotta make it.
It's gonna be Sebastian MW. Modern Warfare? Something like that.
Damn, this guy brought his whole setup.
Something light, we got the Sony A7 III with a 17 to 28 wide angle lens with the ND filter on there. That way I can still keep a good blur in the background. Here's my other
Take
lens,
some notes, guys. Take some notes.
I rarely use that one.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got pretty much nothing planned for today. Oh, you can't even see me anymore. Got nothing much planned for today. Pretty much just came with my neighbor. I'm sure you guys have seen him in a couple of videos. Damn, guys, when you have a bike and a M3.
I still live with my parents. That's how I can do.
What do you do for a living, sir?
I wash cars for a living. That's how you get nice toys. You just live with your parents.
Let's go to boys out here hanging out the window.
Now I just put my camera in here so I don't have to break it down and shit.
I'm about to whip the M3. About to steal my boy's car. That's how you get those crazy angles, guys. What's up, guys? Hopping back into the video. Oh, as you can see, we're here on the Speedway. Supposedly there's gonna be a two-step battle later, so you already know I'm here for that. Sheesh. Look at the piping on that. This thing is sick. Damn. Look how wide those tires are. I don't know if they would have picked it up. Damn. That's a crazy wrap. Carbon door.
I said a little something.
Yeah?
Backers up to me, let's get it! Hey, let's see that!
Alright guys, it's time to take off. It is hot as hell. It's like 90 something, or I don't know what hot, but it feels like it's 100 to be honest. It's time to go. That was a pretty cool two-step battle. Kind of short to be honest. They didn't have a lot of cars, but nonetheless, it was still pretty cool.